how to fix iOS battery drain issue. If you are facing this issue, then to solve it, first of all, open your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings, scroll down and then go through the battery and check if battery health is showing service. If it is showing, then you need to change battery. If it is not, then go back to the setting page and then hit on the screen time and then scroll down and go through the content and privacy restriction and toggle off that button. Once you do that, hit on the back button and then again go back at the setting home page and click on the privacy and security, go to the location services and turn it off. Turn the show map in location alerts as well. Once you do that, your issue will be solved, but make sure that Bluetooth is not connected in your device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.